If you're trying to decide between AnyDesk and TeamViewer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the key differences, compare their strengths, and help you figure out which remote desktop tool is better for your needs. Whether you want something fast and lightweight or a platform with more advanced business features, this comparison will make it much easier to choose. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's start with AnyDesk. AnyDesk is widely known for being fast, lightweight, and very responsive during remote sessions. One of the biggest reasons people like it is the low latency performance, which makes controlling another computer feel smooth and quick. It's also easy to set up, which is a huge advantage if you just want to get connected without spending a lot of time configuring settings. AnyDesk supports file transfer, unattended access, remote printing, session chat, and cross-platform access, so you can use it across different devices and operating systems. AnyDesk is especially popular with freelancers, remote workers, IT technicians, and small businesses. If you regularly need to hop into another machine for quick support, file sharing, or basic remote work, it gives you a clean and simple experience. Another big benefit is that many users find AnyDesk's pricing more affordable than TeamViewer's commercial plans, which makes it attractive if you're watching your budget. Now let's look at TeamViewer. TeamViewer is one of the most established names in remote desktop software, and it's been used by businesses and IT teams for years. It comes with a more extensive set of professional tools, including remote support, file transfer, multi-user sessions, session recording, device management, remote monitoring, and enterprise-level security features. That makes it a strong choice for larger teams or organizations that need more control and administration options. TeamViewer is often used by IT departments, support teams, and companies that manage multiple devices at once. If your workflow involves advanced device oversight, scheduled support, or structured enterprise remote access, TeamViewer gives you more of our built-in management capabilities. It's designed to handle more complex business use cases, which is a major reason it remains so popular. When it comes to ease of use, both AnyDesk and TeamViewer are beginner-friendly. You don't need to be highly technical to get started with either one. That said, AnyDesk is often praised for its lightweight interface and fast performance, especially on slower internet connections. TeamViewer is still very easy to use, but it tends to shine more when you need a broader set of professional tools rather than just speed and simplicity. So how do they compare on pricing? Both platforms offer free versions for personal use, which is great if you're just testing them out or using them occasionally at home. But when you move into paid plans, AnyDesk is generally considered more affordable for small businesses and individual professionals. TeamViewer can become more expensive, but in return you're getting more advanced features aimed at business and enterprise users. So which one should you choose? If you want fast performance, simple setup, and affordable remote access for everyday use, AnyDesk is probably the better choice. If you need enterprise-level features, advanced device management, and professional IT support tools, TeamViewer is likely the stronger option. At the end of the day, the better software depends on your exact needs. For speed and simplicity, go with AnyDesk. For advanced business control and support features, go with TeamViewer. I hope this comparison helped you make the right decision. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.